Alright guys, so do not launch a meme coin on pump.fun. Creation time, I'm just going to get straight to the point. This doesn't work anymore. Look how many coins have been created. Let me just click on a random coin. If this coin wants to get on deck screen and make as much money as possible, you need to go all the way up here. Guys, is that going to happen? Look at this coin. No, it's not. I can show you a million different coins just like this. Look, clicking a random coin. It'll go the exact same. But in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can get it straight onto Radium. It's as simple as this, guys. This is all obviously educational purposes only. Do not do any of this. This is all one big joke. Alright guys, this is the most important step. You need a coin idea. You might already have your coin idea. If you already have your coin idea, that's good, but I still recommend watching this part because this is going to show you exactly the best coin idea. You might want to change your coin idea. So basically, you just want to see what is trending right now. Let's have a look. Goose shouts quack, egg dodge, black devil, infinite money glitch, UPX launchpad, all these things. This is basically what's trending. If you go to the normal homepage, look, I see Deep AI, I see Kanye West. Kanye West is planning on launching a meme coin soon, if you didn't know. It might have already launched it by now. I'm not sure, to be honest. I don't really keep in touch with the crypto space right now because I'm currently on holiday. But obviously Kanye West is planning on launching a meme coin. I could make a Kanye West coin, or I could make something that's real popular, like who's popular? Donald Trump is popular, Elon Musk. Whenever they do something, it becomes a meme coin. So maybe I'll look at their Twitter, see if I can find something on the Twitter to make a meme coin about. You just need to research what's going to be a good meme coin. You also want to look through boosted, see what people are paying a lot of money to boost these coins. So it must be a good trend right now. Sam Bankman-Fried, look, he's been arrested till 2049, so could we make a coin on Sam Bankman? Yeah, we could, but I'm just going to keep it nice and simple right now. I'm just going to stick with the trend. I'm going to pick one of these coins and I'm going to make a coin about it. Real quickly as well, guys, I just want to show you why this method actually works. Look, if you go to new pairs and you click newest, it'll show you all these pairs. And if we do this as well, filter by, where is it? All platforms, Solana, save, look. It'll show you all the Solana coins that have been made. Guys, look, in the last 10 minutes, look how many coins have been made. All them. Not that many coins compared to pump.fun. This is how we stand out. There'll be like quite a decent amount of people, maybe 1,000, 10,000, 100,000 people looking at this screen right now, waiting for a coin to be made. Look, TikTok, justice for TikTok. Or, look, sheep. You just pick any of these coins basically. Justice for sheep. This was launched. And you just think, this is a rug pull as well, guys. I can tell it's 50 seconds old. It's already at 51k liquidity. This is a rug pull. But yeah, people could buy this because people are sat waiting on the screen, waiting for a good idea. And then they just ape it. It's simple as that, guys. Alright guys, so for this, you're going to need three things. Canva, ChatGPT, and whatever meme coin you want to make, followed by PFP. Just type the meme coin you want to make, followed by PFP, and you'll get a nice PFP for your thing. Obviously, look, this is very relatable to, Kanye West, obviously, because he's tweets recently, so I'm going to make a meme coin on this. So you just want to click Create Design, go to Custom Size, type 500 by 500, click Create New Design. You'll have your design, just paste your design, whatever your meme coin is here. Obviously, for this video, I'm just going to do Kanye West, like this. Just click share, click download, and then download it, just simple, like that. Now you've done your Canva thing, you've got your profile, now you need a good thing, and I've already done this, just type this exact prompt. Make me a 5-word short fun description about my meme coin, about Kanye West. I'll give you a thing. Kanye inspired coin, Yeezy profits ahead. You have them both now, we just want to launch a coin basically. Alright guys, so you just want to head over to this website right here. The link will be in the description. You can use different website guys, but please guys, because do not come crying to me when your wallet gets drained. Do not come crying to me when you get scammed, because I have way too many people messaging me saying, oh, I used a different website, but I got scammed. So guys, use the website. I've linked it in the description. Don't go through any other links or you'll probably get scammed. Without further ado, just click create token. And obviously guys, doing an example right here, I'm just going to type random shit, random symbol. But guys, for your name, you want to do, say making a coin about GTA 6, you want to do for your name GTA 6. And for the symbol, you might just want to do GTA 6. Well, the exact same thing. For the name, you might want to do Grand Theft Auto 6. For the symbol, you might want to do GTA 6. If you get what I mean, it's just a short abbreviation basically. I'm going to upload the image. You upload your image, guys, that you made. I'm just uploading a random image. And then for the supply, you want to do 9 zeros. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. There we go. So that's our supply. 9 zeros. Now for the description. We just want to do the description that we got earlier. I'm just going to spam some random stuff, because obviously I actually making a coin. I'm just showing you guys the example on how to do it. Create a name, guys, let me explain this. If you guys have the budget to do this, I do recommend doing it because your coin will perform better. But if you don't have the budget, don't do it until you have the budget. Don't do it. So if you have the budget, do it. So I'm just going to do for create a name, I'm just going to spam it. Then for the create website, say you're making a coin about GTA 6, you can do your create a website. Maybe make it Rockstar Games, rockstargames.com, the actual website, and there you go. Simple as that. You can turn this off. That's optional. You don't need to do that. That's not visible. It is visible, but it's very hard to see. So here we go. Revoke freeze, revoke mint, revoke up. That basically makes it so everyone will think your coin looks legit and your coin will look perfect. So yeah, just create token. Here we go. We've got the transaction. Just click, wait for it to load. There we go, confirm, there we go. And now it's just going to create the token. It'll take about 20 to 30 seconds to do this. But as I wait, guys, I just want to say, this might seem like a lot, but this is a small price to pay for the amount of success you're going to get from this. Or like I said, it seems like a lot, but you're going to make it all back. You're going to make triple that, quadruple that. You'll see in a minute, guys. I'll play some footage of me doing it. But after this, we just want to add liquidity. So I'm just going to wait for the token to be made. I'm not going to cut this, guys, because I want you to see how it is made. Yeah, it's not a scam, guys, because most websites like this are scams. They'll just steal your money and they won't give you anything. And I want to make sure you guys know, so I'm just going to wait patiently. Here we go. Token created successfully. Now, if we check our wallet, if we go to our wallet, Phantom, scroll down, yep, it's took the Solana, and there we go. We have the token we just created. You will have your token. Yours will say with your profile and whatever you made, it'll have your token. But obviously, I'm not using mine, so I'm just using this. So yeah, now we're gonna add liquidity. Alright, so you just want to click liquidity pool. This is the easiest part, guys. Connect your wallet. Make sure your wallet's connected. Here we go. So I'm just going to click the token that I just made. Obviously, I've just spammed a few tokens. Here we go. So you just want to click 900,000,000. Pretty much, guys, that's 90% of the token going into liquidity. That's what we want. And for the quote token, we just want to select Solana as well. We can add 0.5. We can add 0.1. I recommend adding 1 Solana. If possible, add 1 Solana. 1 to 4 Solana works best. Anything below that will work. Anything above that, I mean, the more Solana, the better, really. So here we go. I'm just going to add 1 Solana. Click create liquidity pool. Bam. Then it'll give you the 30,000 unknown tokens, and that's what you need for removing the liquidity later on. Alright, so guys, you just want to open your wallet, as simple as this, and you want to scroll down until you find your token. Obviously, you'll have your liquidity, and you'll have this token. You want to click on this token, do exactly what I just did, and you want to click copy the SPL token address. And now you have the token address, just click on any random Solana meme coin, and put your address there instead. So as you can see, our token will pop up. So it's been up for like not long. Let me full screen it. So look, obviously you need to wait because it's going to take about 5 minutes until it starts getting traction. But as we wait for that, we just want to wait for the buyers to start rolling in. So guys, someone just bought $54. Someone just sold 1 penny. Obviously, you just want to just chill, see what happens. It's going to go up, it'll go down. You just want to wait about 10-15 minutes until you like fully sell, and then that's when you want to take profit. Here we go. Here's the minute time frame. This has been out for about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 minutes. I'm going to wait about 15 minutes and then I'm going to sell. Alright guys, so as I'm watching the coin go up right now, what I actually want to do is I want to tell you guys exactly why this works, because obviously there is reasons why this works. Let me just pull up deck screen. Look, the reason this works in particular is pretty much because if you go to deck screen, like look, someone else just bought $30 worth. Look, if you go to deck screen, there's a new pairs, and look, the newest, like I said, we're appearing on here, so we'll be in there. People are watching the full page and they'll see ours, our good coin, and then since people see ours, they're going to buy our coin, and then when they're buying our coin, we wait until it gets high enough, and then when it gets high enough, we just remove liquidity and get all the liquidity from it. Alright guys, so I've been waiting for a bit, and before people sell, obviously I want to remove the liquidity and take what's mine. So to remove liquidity, you just want to head over back to the Easy Coin Launch website, click manage liquidity and click remove liquidity, and then there we go. We'll have what we're just thinking, and you just want to copy and paste this amount right there. Just click withdraw. And as you can see, guys, we've put in 1 sol, and look, we can take out 7 sol just like that in a matter of 20 minutes. We've finessed at least 6 sol. So I'm just going to remove that and take the free money, basically.
Look at him suffer!